also went to Ballina, which is a town 20 minutes away from Byron, and a great option if you want to avoid the crowds.
Byron Bay and Ballina are like two sibling actors, equally talented, but one of them does all the Marvel movies and the other one just does less known movies. That's the relationship between Byron Bay and Ballina.
However, the weather was not that pleasing. So we had lunch and checked this cool lighthouse.
The oldest lighthouse as well.
Yeah, the oldest lighthouse, and more importantly, if you're coming to the area, you have to check the big prawn.
Big good prawn, big good prawn, big good prawn.
I mean, it's like a stamp on your passport.
Walk into the place, dispatch you from a race. My heart, it started racing.
And as you can see, this lake is known as a TG lake because those trees kind of release tannins that discolor the water, and it becomes this brown water that kind of reminds us of tea. That's why it's called tea tree lake, I assume. Don't be fooled by the color of the water. It's actually safe to go inside and swim. We're not going to do that because it's pretty cold and it's been raining all day, but still, it's pretty cool. It was constantly raining, it was super cold, so we just went to Byron again and took a stroll there, checked some, stores and whatnot.
And we came up to find this and to spend some time with Frederick, which was all alone.
So today was the first time we woke up to a sunny day. It's stunning out there, so we're going to try to squeeze everything in one day. With the La Niña summer, which means that it's going to be very wet, very rainy, and since we've been in Byron, it's been raining a lot of time, and so we're trying to squeeze everything in one day. We're going to hit the beach, try to return to that lake because it was so cold the other day that we didn't get in. Try to do the Lighthouse walk one more time because we never did it on summer. Try to catch the sunset there. yeah, and try to relax a bit as well.
So we are on a place called The Farm and we started our day here. You can see a lot of animals and a little bit of farming, typical farming I guess, from the area. We'll show you around.
So there's also a restaurant over there, the Triple Ducks, and that's where we're gonna eat lunch afterwards.
So we decided to have a quick lunch here because most of the things at the normal restaurant are pretty overpriced. You know, it's one of those overpriced spots. Regardless, I think it's a nice place to come for a visit, especially if you have kids and with a family. Anyways, oh, and the weather started to get rainy again, so hopefully the sun will come again, but anyways, I don't know.
Despite all the blue sky in the morning, it turned out to be pretty rainy through the day and kinda windy, very windy. So we didn't do what we were expecting to do.
We sort of did. We went for a swim on the
lake.
On the lake.
Because we
which was
really wanted
good.
to do it because the other day we couldn't because it was just too cold and
Yeah.
rainy.
Still cold.
Yeah, still cold. It was a tiny bit warmer, but because we wouldn't have any other opportunity to go there,
So we decided to.
yeah, we just decided to go in,
go.
and it was like swimming in Coca-Cola.
Yeah, without the bubbles.
And the weather kind of eventually cleared out, and it was perfect to go to the lighthouse to watch the sunset, and that's what we did. So the weather cleared up a bit on this side, so we're going to the lighthouse, maybe for a good sunset. Well, we aren't doing it fully, just a tiny bit, but at least it would be nice to shoot some photos and videos. Yeah. We're almost there.
usually sunrise or sunset are the most famous times of the day
Yeah.
to go, and you'll see an amazing view from up there.
Yeah, the view is amazing.
And even the walk through.
Yeah,
it's
do the
really
whole
nice.
walk, because we didn't do the whole walk this time because we already had done it on winter last time we were here. But it's worth doing it all because yeah, it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
And the light is beautiful as well if you do it on a good sunny day. Yeah. And if you're curious, we can pop up another video here to the time we were here before, and we did the walk.
The walk.
Yeah, we did the walk. So we just It's like going to New York and seeing. It's like going to Sydney and seeing the Opera House. You come here and you see the big prawn. And there's a big spider over there. Não está aberta nada, pois não?